which practice is an offshoot of the principle that a non-threatening atmosphere enhances learning. Okay? So kumbaga, hinahanap lang dito yung non-threatening atmosphere. Okay? So would it be letter A, no scolding? Okay? No scolding. Bawal magalit. Okay? Bawal pagalitan yung ating mga estudyante. No praising. Bawal i-praise, no? Is it letter C, no homework? Or letter D, no bullying. And of course, letter D po, ang ating tumpak na choice. Diba? Ito nga yung ina-advocate sa ating mga schools. Ayan, plastic mode activated, diba? Ito yung mga ina-advocate sa ating schools, no to bullying, diba? No bullying po dapat. Dapat walang estudyante na threatened sa ating pong classroom, no? So, walang bullying coming from the classmates and also dapat wala din bullying coming from the teachers, no? So hindi po pwedeng no homework. Dapat meron pa rin tayong pa-homework. May praising tayo, di ba? Especially kapag deserve ng bata, okay? Katulad ng mga top-notchers natin, we need to praise them, okay? And no scolding, no? Hindi din po pwedeng hindi pinapagalitan yung bata, okay? Because of course, no, to discipline the child, we need to correct their mistakes, okay? So letter D is tumpa.